Hi babe, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will be showing you how to braid the perfect number 3. Just look at it. It is the perfect number 3. This video is going to be just for number 3, and then subsequent videos you'll see how I braided number 4 and 5. So let's get started. First of all, I am working on the natural hair. I actually blew out her hair, right? Some other times I wet the natural hair before braiding, but this time I blow dried it a little bit, and as you can see, her edges they need to rest. So this number 3 is just perfect because most of the braid is focused on the right hand side, which is inside. So I start by making the 3 shape. If you find this difficult, make 2 circles on top of each other, like number 8. Just 1 circle on top of her ears and then another circle on top of that one. It will make it easier for you to be able to carve out the number 3 shape. You're going to see it took me a while because how you make it is sincerely going to affect how your number 3 looks. And there is not necessarily like a perfect way to make it, because if I make your number 3 look like number 3 in different fonts, so I could have made the top section to be like have a pointed end. Do you understand what I mean? Like the top section will have a pointed end and then the lower one rounded. It's still going to look like number 3 but like in a different font. So my point is to not be too focused on making it exactly how I made mine. So there are so much options. So you can see it took me a while to just make it to be the shape I want, and then I used a braiding gel to just push away the rest of the hair. I wasn't satisfied with how the number 3 looks, so I kept going at it until I was like, okay, I like it. I want the number 3 to just be chilling, looking down towards her eyes and just relaxed. And that was what I did. When I was done, I went ahead and shared it into 2 in the middle, as you can see. So just 1 straight line sharing. If you made 2 circles, it's going to be more obvious where that line should be. So share that line into 2, and now we are going to share each of those sections into 2, but from different angles. So at this point, I think you will understand everything I am doing. Yeah, I think you will. So I'm just going to let you watch. If you do not skip the ads, you're helping me make money on this channel, which I need. Look around me, guys. Thank you. I really appreciate it. You can do that. Thank you. So I was still trying to make up my mind on how I want the first line to be. If you share that first portion into like 2 equal parts with a straight line, the 3 is going to look different from when you slant that line a little. So you can see I made it straight the first time, I closed it up and then slanted it a little. I wanted the number 3 to be very curvy, like just with curves, just curves everywhere, no pointed anything, just curvy and curvy. So I slanted that first line a little bit so it would curve inwards, but the second one I did not slant. So if you make it straight, it's going to look different. If you make the top part pointed, it's going to look different. All of them are still going to give you beautiful number 3s, but this is the number 3 I was going for. This is the curvy number 3 I wanted, and that was what I got. And